Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to remove profile picture from WhatsApp. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Let's get started. So first of all, open WhatsApp on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. Once you open WhatsApp, you'll see this kind of chat box on your screen. On this page, you'll have to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. And from this menu, go to Settings. On the settings page, you can see the profile picture at the top left corner. It is right beside your name. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you do that, as you can see on the screen, you will reach your profile page. On this page, you'll again have to tap on your current profile picture. After you see this on your screen, all you have to do is tap on the edit option at the top right corner. It is the pen icon. And on this pop-up menu, you can see the recycle bin icon. Go ahead and tap on it. And on this pop-up menu, tap on remove. And as you can see on the screen, the profile picture has been removed. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.